Time check! Sawadee ka, Tokon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone!
Thank you.
Bon appetit! Makeup time! Good morning, Teacher Ming! Ni hao ma! Not yet! Morning, Teacher Namtan! Ohayo gozaimasu! And I'm done with my makeup. Let's go to Assembly Hall.
นักเรียนทุกคนแรกเลยวันนี้เราเห็นเรื่องที่เกี่ยวข้องกับทุกคนมากๆเลยนะเวลาเรามาเรียนเช้าจะมีขอไปครับ
Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. วันนี้สอบ Listen everyone, today we will have a message relay activity. Keep all your phones inside your bag. Do not put your phones in your pockets. Place them inside your bag instead. How to do the activity? I need one leader in each group. I will give you one complete sentence. You will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering through your ears one by one. Activity instructions. I will give you a complete sentence and you will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering it into their ears one by one. The last person will immediately come to the front and tell the writers in the team what the complete sentence is. The writers will then write the sentence on the bond paper I provided. If you are going to pass the complete sentence through your team, you should be careful to speak in a low voice so that the other teams or your opponents cannot hear it. You need to lower your voice when passing the sentence so that the writers at the front also cannot hear it. This is important because if the writers at the front can hear the sentence, they will have a clue or hint about it, which would put your team at a disadvantage. Be sure to tell the correct spelling, correct capital letters in the sentence, correct punctuation marks that are used such as full stop, question mark, exclamatory, comma, apostrophe, period, etc. No full stop or period in the last sentence, it means 0 points. No correct punctuation marks, 0 points. Do not cheat. I will deduct the points of the group who are cheating. Do not use your phones. Keep your phones inside your bag. Be sure to focus and take today's activity seriously, as the points or score you earn will be recorded accordingly. Score points, 3 points each to the group who got the correct sentence. Group 1, Yisip Jet Kanan. Okay, 27 points. And Group 2, Sipha Kanin, 15 points. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Đại xe to lắm. Cụ kia. Giỏi mà lúcนี้ข้ามไปlên lên con sóngเลยนะเดี๋ยวมาลูกนี้หลับกันเลยโอ้โห
Bon appetit.
Money cannot buy no real friends.
หันไปด้านหลังแก้อย่าดูนะบางมือที่ทาราตาแก้มาหลุดไปหลังเยอะเดียวนี้ทาราตาแล้วยาวแล้วได้มาส่งแก้ไปเลยตั้งยังไงให้มันแต่สิ่งลูกนี้ทุกทีกันได้เหมือนสิงเสริมลูกนี้ติดเด็ด
And I'm home, home sweet home. I'm so fucking tired and exhausted. Okay. Dito kami naglalaro ma.
sa sports day dyan kayo.
Alam mo, may napipil ako.
Close na close dyan yung... Eh, pagkiganti mo kung
Go. Wag ka ma.
Ganun.
Maybe you're wondering how I ended up in this situation. Go ma! Ang bait ng tayo ba? Kasi naubusan kami ng gasolina. Tapos itutulak lang ang jaw niya. O diba nakaabot din kami sa gasoline station. Mga bakla naubusan ng gasolina day. Oh my god, bakla ka, naubusan kami ng gasolina day.
Mga 130, hindi man ako nakapag-selfie dun sa...
And we're home. Napagod ang mabakla sa Pagod kami.
Bye, ma.
Bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.